any noise. There's someone having a meeting in the next room, and we can't have any balloons going pop. Have you guys heard this? Some people don't like the sound of balloons popping. When you build large balloon structures with lots of balloons, you can't fit them all back in the van or truck. They have to be popped on site. There are some ways to pop your balloons without creating a lot of noise, and it involves science. Now, you have citrus oil, which can pop balloons, and so you have your can of citrus spray, and you spray across the balloons, and soon they go pop, pop, pop. That makes a lot of noise. You could take pins. Got a little pin here. You can take pins. You can pop a balloon, but that sudden release of air, it's going to move so fast that it makes a snapping sound. When it's under high pressure and it pops and actually hurts your ears, you've actually experienced a mini sonic boom. So how do you pop your balloons, deflate them without them making noise? There's two ways. One involves a pen, one involves scissors. So if you're familiar with balloon decor, decorating with balloons, you know that you inflate two balloons and tie them together, and then you take these two, which are called duplets, and you push the knots together, and then you twist one balloon from each of the two balloons around each other once or twice. That creates a quad. So tying two balloons is called a duplet, and putting two duplets together makes a quad, 4 balloons. So this is the basis of most of all your balloon decorations. Will use combinations of these. This is how you pop your balloon without making noise. The same thing goes with your round balloons. With your round balloons, you have this long tail. If I cut here, I might hear a boom. But if I cut the tail, you'll hear just a slight hissing sound. Okay? I'm making sure I know where my earphones are. The earphones have my microphone attached. Hello! Haha. Yes, there it is. It had fallen. Okay, so when I cut the tail, I'm pinching below the tail. And what happens when I let go? That's it. A little puff of air. I'm going to put some more air into this balloon. Another way to get air out of the balloon, I'm going to drape the microphone in front of the camera here. I don't want to muffle the noise. I want you to hear it as it is. See that knot? If I pull that knot up and pinch below it and give a little snip, no noise, just a little hiss, and the air escaped. I could make a hole up near the knot using a pin. So I'm going to tie a little knot here. Cut this open, put some more air in this one. Alright, so I have a balloon. I want to let the air out. I find where this twist is, this joint where I tied the knot. Try to squeeze just a little bit of air out. So you take the pin and you go through right there under the knot, and then we remove it and then slowly let go of the balloon. It now has a little pinhole leak, and if I give it a squeeze, you can just barely hear a hiss of air as air escapes slowly out of this balloon. But of course, the bigger the balloon, the bigger the boom. So here's an individual balloon. Yes, I'm sacrificing one of my beautiful print balloons. You know, these print balloons can be up to 50 cents each. Balloons are not that cheap. To deflate this without any air going boom, I find the knot, I pull the knot up, pinch gently just underneath it, snip it with my scissors, and I let go. I've deflated the balloon, no boom. Put in my little trash barrel. Now we're going to do these. I'm going to go into this cluster of balloons, pull it down, snip it. There's one. Pull the balloon down, squeeze a little bit of air out of that section. Little snip. Two. Balloons might be coming apart. Grab the knot. Snip the excess. And this is how you deflate your balloons without a lot of booming. It's more time consuming, but if your client or the next door client to you doesn't want any boom going on, make sure you plan for plenty of time for deflating your balloons without the boom. So, hope you have fun with that fun little trick. Remember, balloons is all about science of air pressure. Have a wonderful day. Bye.